Let's start with this problem. We have some good questions. Let's solve them and let's get done with the class. You can see the question. If 30% of a number is 300, then 50% of that same number is how much? 30% is 30 by 100 of x is equal to 300. Cancel. 3x equal to 3000. X equal to 1000. 50% of this number is exactly half. 500. Perfect. Do this. Let's see what he does. What he says. Sharad spends 20% of his monthly income on household expenditure, 30% of the rest on food, 10% of the rest on clothes, and saves the rest. Okay. What am I assuming? Assume his monthly income is equal to 100 rupees. Why? Because 100 is a very easy number to work with. How much does he spend on his household expenditure? 20%. What is 20% of 100? 20 rupees. Correct? How much is he left with? 80 rupees. Correct? Now, what does he say? He spends 30% of the remaining on food. Remaining is 80%. Sorry, 80 rupees. 30% of 80 rupees is how much? 80 into 30 by 100. 24 rupees on food. How much is left now? 80 minus 24. All of you agree with me? Is everyone following till here? That is 56 rupees left. Now what does he say? 10% of the rest on clothes. He is left with 56 rupees. Out of 56 rupees, he spends 10% on clothes. 10% of the rest means 10% of the remaining. What is 56 into 10 by 100? 5.6 rupees. So how much is he left with now? 56 minus 5.6 rupees. You guys agree with me? That is how much? 50.4 rupees. This is the amount that he is left with. That means the amount that he has saved after spending XYZ. So he had 100 rupees and he is left with 50.4 rupees. So what is the logic? Income was 100 rupees. Savings. That means he is left with how much? 50.4 rupees. Therefore, what does it mean? His expenditure was 49.6 rupees. Savings plus expenditure is giving us his total income, right? This is the logic everyone is clear with. Is everyone following to here? Are you guys clear? Right. Now let's come to the question. He comes to know that he has finally saved 10080 rupees. That means find his monthly income. If his income was 100 rupees, how much did he save? 50.4 rupees. If income, according to my assumption, if 100 rupees was his monthly income, how much did he end up saving? 50.4 rupees. All of you agree? The question says he saved how much? 10080 rupees. If he saved this much, proportionately, what would his income be? Simple. 10080 into 100 divided by 50.4. What is the calculation, guys? 20,000 rupees as his monthly income. So now if you take 20,000 and do the calculations of his expenditures, that is 20%, 30%, 10%, you will end up with the savings as 10080 only.